Hey guys! Welcome back to our home! Now that the season starts to change, we get to see new fruit, herbs and vegetables. Nothing more exciting than the possibility of new creations. Because of that, we come out with a wild version of a classic pesto, combined with a delicate white asparagus recipe. I hope you will enjoy! Mwah!
White asparagus has a mild and delicate flavor, with a touch of bitterness if we compare it with green asparagus. Let's start by peeling the asparagus. Once ready, keep them aside. Now let's work on the wild garlic pesto. We need 15 leaves of wild garlic. This tastes sweeter and less pungent than regular garlic. Remove the stalk and chop the leaves. Then add them to a mixer. As a second ingredient, we have wildrocket. This has a sweet, nutty and spicy taste. Chop them and add them into the mixer. Next, we have radish leaves. This will add a bit of freshness to our pesto. Chop the leaves and add them into the mixer. Now add a bit of pinenuts to add extra texture and a bit of buttery taste. Then chop some parmesan cheese. Add a bit of salt, ground black pepper, olive oil, and half of the parmesan cheese and mix everything for a few seconds. Once ready, incorporate the rest of the cheese and more pineapple and mix it a little bit. The idea is to leave bites to add extra texture. Wild pesto. Yummy. Cook time! In a large hot pan, add a good amount of olive oil and pan-fry 8 units of asparagus until golden brown. Then add half lemon juice, and 20 ml of mirin. Cover the pan and lower the heat. Saute them to integrate all the flavors. Add a pinch of salt and saute them again. A few minutes later, check if the asparagus are tender. Once ready, take them off the heat. Look at these beauties! Whoa! Take the remaining 2 asparagus and with the help of a peeler make ribbons. Season them with lemon juice, salt and pepper. Playtime! In a deep plate, spread a few spoons of wild garlic pesto, add a few ribbons on top, now add all the cooked asparagus and the sauce that it has formed in the pan. Add more pesto on top of the asparagus and finish it with the remaining ribbons. Et voila! Asparagus and wild garlic pesto!